Hello, my name is Ahlam. I am a student at the Community College of Qatar, majoring in mechanical engineering. I will talk about plastic resin identification codes. The ASTM International Resin Identification Coding System, often abbreviated RIS, is a set of symbols appearing on plastic products that identify the plastic resin out of which the product is made. These were created with a symbol that dates back to 1917 and which reflects the steps in the recycling process: material collection, recycling, and new recycling products. For plastic, a triangle made up of three arrows surrounding a numbers from 1 to 7 forms a Mobius strip, known as the universal recycling symbol. It symbolizes and identifies the packaging material as well as whether it can be recycled to make new products. Let's look at them one by one. Number 1. Polyethylene terephthalate. This is the most commonly used plastic for food packaging because it's the lightweight, cheap to produce, and widely recycled. It is commonly used in water and drink bottles as well as packaging for cooking oil. Once recycled, PET can also be used for motor vehicle parts, furniture, rugs, and sometimes new food packaging. Number 2. High density polyethylene. This is the plastic that withstands chemical products well. It's not very flexible, but is easy to make and handle. Its most common use are plastic shopping bags packaging for cleaning and personal hygiene products, milk and juice cartons, and yogurt pots. Once recycled, it can be used again for bottles of detergent, pipes, cooking oil, packaging, and even garden furniture. Number 3. Polyvinyl chloride. Code number 3 is for material that are not often recycled and which are little used with food products because they release a range of toxins due to their high resistance to acid as well as their toughness. They are commonly used to make pipes, detergent bottles, medical equipment, shoe sealer, and much more. Number 4. Low density polyethylene. In the polyethylene family, this is a very flexible, transparent plastic that is frequently used in all types of bags and pouches, as well as for laboratory equipment and frozen food packaging. Plus, after being recycled, it can be used to make bench panels, pipes, and tiles. Number 5. Polypropylene. This is the perfect material for microwavable packaging as it's really tough, has a steam barrier, and heat resistant. It is also commonly found in sauce, pots, lids, and packaging for medical and veterinary use. After the recycling process, it is often used to make hair brushes, trees, battery cables, and illuminated signs. Number 6. Polystyrene. This is another of the material that are recommended for food use as the release thickness easily. However, because it is cheap and rigid, it is commonly used for plastic cutlery, cups, and plates, as well as cosmetic packaging and CD cases. It is also a material that is difficult to recycle. Number 7. Mix of other plastics. This could include a wide variety of plastic which are very difficult to recycle. Although it is common to find the categories of plastic in sunglasses and DVDs. It is also used for some types of water bottles and even food